guys, welcome back to my video, and I'm from Vietnam. I'm Vietnamese. Hello, and you see my vlog about my day and my life. So let's get started and have a nice day with me, okay? Let's get started.
It's been a while, let's meet tonight, we'll run away. Hey, I know it's been hard, I know this feeling, it's empty, but you make me smile, I cannot lie. Touch is some melody played on my mind, when you're out of sight, I cannot lie, I can't stop thinking of you. Tonight, take my heart away. I know it's been a while, let's go far away. What do you say? Baby, let's meet tonight, take my heart away. I know it's been a while, let's go far away. Another home, we'll build a place of our own. Our destiny seems to be overdue, but I'm lucky to be under the same stars as you. I cannot lie, touch is a melody played on my mind. You're out of sight, I cannot lie, I can't stop dreaming of you.
I think you will have questions that why Vietnamese girl talk and speak English. So I will answer this. The first, I speak English because I want to improve my English communication skill. I want to speak English more and more whenever I can, because I want to more confident when I speak language. Every language I want to speak English, and I want to more confident like that. So I want to give my positive energy for you. So if you're sad, when you're sad, you can watch my vlog, watch my video if it make you more happy, and if it make you get motivation again. So I do my video because I really want you will feel relaxed and happy when you watch my video. So I hope it will be useful for you. So I want you will happy when you see my video, and so I will smile more. I will give you my positive energy, and I hope you will feel happy and relaxed, and yeah, let's happy. I want you will happy and happy, very happy, be happy. Okay, I hope my vlog, my channel will be useful for you to relax and happy and live a beautiful life, a happy life. So
你放在手心，那几个字说出去，又怕你假装听不清，叮叮咚咚怎么 你呼吸决定，飘飘洒洒的小雨轻轻落在屋顶，夏夜蝉鸣的节奏竟然如此熟悉，滴滴答答怎么今晚
Okay, now I will go to my math class. I will turn off all my light in my room. Oh, and put it away. Goodbye. See you again. I have just done my dinner, so now I will have a shower. Oh, this camera